For my daughter's birthday, I made her doll a new dress to match her birthday dress. It was so simple to make, and now I know what to do with any leftover fabric. This pattern is now available with the Ola Dress for girls. It will automatically come with your pattern in all past Ola pattern purchases. I made this to fit her Olli and Ella doll and will fit most 13-inch dolls. The pattern includes additional information on how to make it fit all different sized dolls. To begin, cut out your pattern pieces. You'll have a front and back bodice, 2 sleeves, a back placket, and a neckband cut on the bias. First, lay out the front bodice piece in front of you, wrong side facing up. Match one sleeve to the bodice piece at the armholes. Pin and sew at 1/4 inch. Trim the excess fabric from the armhole and turn the dress right side out. Press the armhole flat and sew again at 1/4 inch. This will create a French seam that you will repeat for the other sleeve. Before we attach the back bodice piece, we are going to sew the back placket. Fold the back bodice piece in half, and on the right side of the fabric, create a crease where you can see the middle line of the fabric. Now grab your back placket piece and fold it in half. Mark or crease this middle line and match it to the middle line on the back bodice piece. Pin in place around this line. Starting 1/8 inch to the left of the crease, stitch around this middle line, finishing on the opposite side. Carefully cut down the center of the stitched line. Fold the placket to the wrong side of the bodice piece. This may take some work to get it to lie flat. Use an iron to press the seam down. Fold the edges under to meet the back of the placket and iron in place, enclosing the raw edges. Fold the bottom of the placket into a point and iron again. Starting at the top of the placket, carefully stitch around the placket to finish it off nicely. Join the back bodice piece to the sleeves with a French seam like you did earlier. Now, beginning on one side of the placket, sew a gather stitch around the neckline of the dress. To do this, increase your stitch length as high as it will go and your tension as high as it will go. It will naturally gather the fabric. Leave a long tail of bobbin thread and use this to create more gathers. Holding the bobbin thread with one hand, use your other hand to gently pull the fabric and gather it together until it has gathered the length of your neckband. Fold your neckband in half and press with an iron. Pin it to the top of the gathers with the raw edges touching. Pin around, leaving a 1/2 inch overhang on each side. Stitch at 1/4 inch, connecting the neckband to the dress. Fold the neckband to the right side 1/4 inch and press. Right at the edge of the back placket, sew a few stitches perpendicular to the neckband. Cut off the excess fabric and turn the neckband wrong sides facing. This will enclose the raw edges. Now you can hand stitch around the neckband, picking up the stitches along the neckband to create a clean finish. Finish off the threads by tying a knot securely at the end. Now you'll want to sew your side seams with a French seam like you sewed previously along the side. For the back, I like to use a snap closure to finish this off. Following the snap instructions provided with your snaps, attach them to the dress. You can also use a metal clasp, buttonhole and loop, or Velcro. Now you can finish the dress by hemming the bottom by folding the hem a 1/2 inch and ironing around the dress, and then folding once more at 1 inch and ironing. Finish with a top stitch around the bottom of the dress. Now the possibilities are endless with creating dresses for your child's dolls. For more sewing projects for your children, watch this next video.